Hey, what's up, guys? I've seen a lot of newer people wanting to know how to do stack text through Easel. Had my X card for a year now. I've got other software, but I still use Easel a lot because it's simple to use and the stuff that I make money with doesn't require the software that I have. So try and make this quick, simple, and straight to the point. Hopefully you can hear me and see me well. The first thing you want to do is, of course, set your material, whatever you're using, size and whatnot. First thing you want to do is add a square. I'm not going to be precise with this. I just want it to be, kind of quick. We'll do an eighth. Now basically, whatever you set this square at, the text that you add, you're going to want that to be more shallower cut. So just for make it quick, I'll use my own name. And we're going to center this. Make it a little bit bigger. Center it one more time. Alright, now you're going to want this one to be, we'll just make it, half of our square. So about a 1/16 roughly. You see the preview over here, that's what it's going to look like. That's also how you can do single stack if you want it to be, like a 2D option. Now on this last one, when you add, just going to use my name again. We're going to center this. I'm going to stretch it just a little bit. Center it again. And this one you're going to want to select 0. So that's just a basic of how it'll look. Of course you could, go and change your, if you wanted it to. Move it however you want it. But that would be your end product. Of course, if you play with the depths, it'll look different. That we can go and change our square. So we want to go down 1/4. But I try and do shallow to keep my machine times low. That's what you want. Less machine time, more money you can make. Go and change this to an 1/8, that to a 0, and you get that effect. So hopefully this was a informative video. I'll try and do more stuff like this on my channel because I don't really do anything with the CNC on my channel at the moment. But hopefully this was helpful. If it was, give me a like, subscribe, comment if you want to see some more. Really simple. I don't need any naysayers. Just trying to help people out. So thanks. Y'all have a good day.